Hi everybody, thanks for joining. This little video is a routine of neck stretches that you can use throughout the day. We kind of recommend them sort of 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch and dinner, or whenever you're on the loo, whatever you fancy. It's a really good way of waking up the body, waking up the neck and the shoulders, especially if you have tension from things like desk work, driving, if you're stressed, when naturally your levator scapular muscles will tighten. When what do? They lift their shoulders up to the ears, and we get that phrase, oh, I was that stressed, my shoulders were above my ears, and that's exactly what's happening. So we're trying to get your shoulders to come down and get some extra mobility into the neck, and so that over time you can really improve your ease of movements, and also you might be able to improve your range of movement as well. If you have any existing neck problems, then you can always pop us a quick email or speak to your current therapist, whoever you might be seeing, as to whether this is suitable for you. But general rule of thumb is that this is pretty much suitable for anyone. If you get any pain now at all during the movements, we would suggest you to stop what you're doing and contact your therapist or contact ourselves, and we can advise any further. But for now, all it is you would just sit nice and tall, and slowly, taking about 4 seconds, you're just going to slowly drop your chin down towards your chest, and you're going to hold for 4 seconds. And then you can slowly, taking 4 seconds, come up to normal. Now, the reason we take so long to do it, the slower you do it, the movement, the more you're kind of lubricating the joints as opposed to just fully yanking them into place. So in that sense, you actually get the joints to be moisturized, is how I always term it to my patients. And so it's really good for sort of an osteoarthritic neck, that type of joint problems. It's really good at just getting an ease of movement. So from that neutral position, you're going to slowly take 4 seconds to look to the right and hold for 4 seconds and back to center and hold. Slowly look to the left and hold and back and hold. This one, go easy if you do have existing neck joint problems, because you might not find that you can go very far, and we don't want to push you. So nice and slowly, just drop your ear towards your shoulder and hold and back up and the other way. And up and hold. Give your shoulders a good roll back, and then we're slowly going to stretch the levator scapular muscle that I was on about at the beginning. We do this by slowly taking your ear to shoulder, and then you're going to take your eye down towards your chest, and you're going to come all the way forward, and you'll feel a pull all the way down here. And back up, and to the other side. Ear to shoulder, then eye down to chest. It feels so good. And back up. I would then follow it up with a stretch on the pecs, because we always find that if you are tight here, you will need to be tight here. You need to release these off in order to get this better. So I would then follow up with a pec stretch, which we will do in another follow-up video, and the two together will really help just loosen off the whole of this neck and shoulder girdle and get you nice and loose. Thank you.